Attack footage. Ukrainian Armed Forces destroy 2 tanks and 200 Russian artillery during 1 week. Ukraine has destroyed a number of Russian military vehicles, including 2 tanks and a wasp surface-to-air missile launcher, over the past few days using so-called suicide drones, according to the country's military. The claim was made by the official Facebook account of the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine and accompanied by videos purporting to show drones flying into Russian targets. Kyiv is 2 months into a grueling counteroffensive which has seen its troops recapture about 80 square miles as of late July, though a complete breakthrough of Russian lines has not been achieved. Ukraine claims it has had considerable success in hunting down and destroying Russian artillery, with nearly 200 pieces reportedly destroyed over 1 week at the end of July alone. On Saturday, the Ukrainian military said it had dismantled a new batch of Russian equipment and infantry with kamikaze drones over the past few days. Kamikaze, or suicide, drones have been used extensively by both sides in the conflict. They are flown into their target by a controller, who can be sighted many miles away, and then explode. The Facebook post listed Russian equipment destroyed by the drones as including 2 tanks, one 9K-33OS, a wasp surface-to-air missile launcher, 1 BMP infantry fighting vehicle, and an MDLB armored fighting vehicle. It also claimed suicide drones destroyed an ammunition warehouse, video surveillance complex and infantry firing positions, and shelter with 20 rations. In the accompanying footage, recorded from onboard cameras, drones can be seen flying towards what are purported to be Russian military vehicles. The video cuts out as the drone reaches its target, presumably because it has been detonated. On Friday night, a Russian tanker was hit as it passed through the Kerch Strait, which connects the Black Sea from the Sea of Azov. Russia's Federal Agency for Sea and Inland Water Transport said the attack, which it said was presumably as a result of an attack by a marine drone, had blown a hole in the ship at the waterline by its engine room. Security Service of Ukraine SBU Chief Vasyl Maliuk said such attacks were absolutely logical and completely legal, while not directly claiming responsibility. A day earlier, the Russian landing ship Olenogorsk Gornyak was reportedly hit by an explosion near the port of Novorossiysk, with a Ukrainian intelligence source claiming it was struck by a drone as part of a joint operation with Kyiv's Navy. Video later emerged appearing to show the vessel listing as it was returned to Novorossiysk. The British Ministry of Defense said it was the largest Russian vessel seriously damaged or destroyed since April 13, 2022, when the cruiser Moskva was sunk. Russia launched a massive attack overnight using various missile types and Iranian-made Shah drones, according to Ukraine's military, as the Black Sea quickly becomes a new focus for both Moscow and Kyiv. Russian forces attacked 70 times in several waves between Saturday and Sunday, Ukraine's Air Force said in an operational update posted to social media. Ukraine intercepted a total of 17 caliber sea-launched cruise missiles after the first wave of strikes was launched from the Black Sea, Ukraine's military said. Air defenses shot down 13 out of 20 Kh-101 and Kh-555 cruise missiles fired from Russian strategic bombers over the Caspian Sea, the Air Force added. Moscow also launched 3 Kinzhal hypersonic missiles in the first wave, Kiev said. On top of the 30 cruise missiles destroyed, Ukraine shot down all 27 Iranian-made Shahd drones launched from the southeast, according to the military. Ukraine often reports barrages of Shahd drone strikes on its infrastructure and major cities. In a statement on Sunday, Russia's defense ministry said it had launched a strike on air bases in Ukraine's western Khmelnytsky and Rivne regions. The target has been reached, the Russian defense ministry said on social media, adding, all assigned objects are hit.